guys, what's up? So it's that time of the month again. The Ipsy Glam bag is here. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's bag, then just stay tuned. Little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this glam bag to try. All right, so the first thing in this month's glam bag is the little card. It says June 2024, sunny days ahead. This month, we're delivering everything you need for a sun-kissed glow all summer long. And then on the inside, it says sunny days ahead. Whatever moves you're making this season, taking a trip, soaking up the sun, or diving into a new adventure, trust us to keep you looking bright, bold, and beautiful every step of the way. And it's got some amazing products to help you glow all summer long. All right, so here's what this month's glam bag looks like. Super summery, super colorful, super cute. I'm in love. All right, so the first product we have in this month's glam bag is the Frank Body Rose Hip Body Scrub Plus Cleanser. This is a 2-in-1 melting body scrub with exfoliating sugar and smoothing rose hip oil. I have tried this product out before and absolutely love it. This is going to really buff away any dry skin and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. Next in the bag, we have the Girl-Lactic Fruit Superfood Sugar Face Scrub, and this is the mini version. I literally just finished the full-size version of this, and then a new one came, so yeah. This is going to do the same exact thing, only for the face. This is going to scrub away any dead skin cells and leave your face looking brighter, feeling smoother, and just overall more healthier. Next, we have the First Aid Beauty Brighten Plus Glow Moisturizer with vitamin C. This is safe for sensitive skin and can be used AM and PM. Next in the glam bag, we have the Ace Beauté Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Stella Dusk. And I do have this on my eyes today. It is so, so pretty. Last but not least, we've got the Dear Midnight. This is just a little clear balm, lip balm. So, so cute. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Glam bag. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. With the Ipsy Glam bag option, you get 5 deluxe size samples. Subscribers choose 1 product. Everything in the bag is worth up to $70, and it's only $14 a month. Plus, you get a super cute new glam bag each month. It's so exciting to see what Ipsy comes up with next. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another glam bag to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.